हेलो एवरीवन। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है हाउ मच फॉरेन करेंसी कैन यू टेक अब्रॉड। जब आप ट्रैवल करते हैं तो आप अपने साथ में उस कंट्री की लोकल करेंसी को लेकर जाते हैं अपने साथ में, तो उसकी एक स्पेसिफाइड लिमिट है कि कितना आप कैश वहाँ पे लेके जा सकते हैं, और अगर उस लिमिट से ऊपर है तो आपको उस चीज़ को डिक्लेयर करना पड़ता है। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके बारे में कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड कंट्री वाइज मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करूंगा कि आप कितना कैश अपने साथ में लेकर जा सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एज यू ऑल नो दैट यू आर अलाउड टू कैरी अ स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ कैश इन ईच कंट्री, एंड इफ यू हैव कैश मोर देन द specified limit, then you have to declare it. Now let's see how much foreign currency can you carry abroad. A country-wise breakup we will see. The limit on cash is to control money movement, fight crime, and protect financial systems. Luckily, you can still use credit cards, debit cards, or electronic transfers for most things, offering both convenience and following the rules. So let's see the country-wise details. Number 1, Dubai. It has a limit of 1 lakh dirhams. Number 2, USA. If you are traveling from India, you can bring up to 3,000 US dollars cash without declaring it. Number 3, Canada. When entering Canada, you need to declare any amount of cash that adds up to 10,000 Canadian dollars or more to a border services officer. You don't need to declare anything under 10,000 Canadian dollars. Number 4, Singapore. Singapore has a limit on the total amount of cash and even traveler checks you can bring in set at Singapore dollars 20,000. Number 5, France. If you are visiting France and bringing cash, you will need to declare any amount over 10,000 euros. For sums under 10,000 euros, you are good to go without any declaration. 6, Spain. Just like France, you can bring up to 10,000 euros to Spain without declaring it. Number 7, Bhutan. Indian rupees are convenient to use in Bhutan, but there is a catch. To avoid problems and keep money exchange smooth, they don't allow bills of rupees 500 or higher denominations. No worries though, you can exchange larger bills for smaller ones upon arrival. 8, Italy. It has a 10,000 euros limit on undeclared cash coming into country. If you have more, you have to declare it. 9, Australia. You can bring up to 10,000 Australian dollars without declaring it. If carrying more than 10,000 Australian dollars, just declare upon arrival. 10, Thailand. Travelers can bring maximum of 50,000 Thai baht. 11, UK. There's a limit of 10,000 pounds you can bring in without declaring it. 12, Germany. Limit of 10,000 euros on undeclared cash. 13, Indonesia. You have to declare anything over IDR, that is Indonesian currency, 1 billion, that's over 70,000 USD approximately. 14, Greece. 10,000 euros limit on undeclared cash. 15, Nepal. You can only bring up to 25,000 rupees in cash. 16, Mauritius. You can bring up to MUR, this is a currency of Mauritius, 5 lakhs without declaring it. 17, Sri Lanka. It has a $10,000 limit on all your incoming money. तो ये कुछ डिटेल्स हैं कंट्री वाइज कि आप कितना कैश कैरी कर सकते हैं और कितना आपको डिक्लेयर करना है। अगर लिमिट से ऊपर है तो आपको वो कैश डिक्लेयर करना है। और भी किसी कंट्री के बारे में आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. थैंक यू.